100% of all the leadership in corporate needs chart and visualizations. But when the chart has to be shown along with the data, the situations become little tricky. In such cases, use the sparklines. The sparklines are placed right beside your chart. Now let's see what these sparklines are. Let's jump into it. Sparklines are small or mini versions of charts which can sit right beside your data in each row. So you can have multiple sparklines for each and every row. And these sparklines are placed right beside your charts here. Instead of talking more, let's put a sparkline in place to understand. First, select the cell where you want to place the sparkline. Go to Insert. Let's select this particular line sparkline first. Select it. One pop-up will come, or the window will come, where it will ask location range. This is where you want to put the sparkline. We have already selected that, which is H2. Data range. This data range is the data of this particular row on which it will create a sparkline. Then click OK. Your sparkline is created. Based on the data from January to June, it has created a line chart for you inside this particular cell, that is a sparkline. Now, just like a formula, this particular sparkline can be dragged down. Look at this. It has replicated the same thing for the rest of the rows as well. Beautiful, isn't it? Now let's understand few settings of this particular sparkline. Select one particular sparkline, any one, right? The moment you select a sparkline, there is a tab coming up here, sparkline. This comes up only when you select a sparkline. Select that particular tab, and inside this you will get all the options for these sparklines. Right now you can see it is in blue. You want to change the color? Well, go here, change the color, whichever one you want, right? You need more colors? You have a sparkline color here. You can select any color from here. Along with that, you'll get few more options here, like high point. It will show in each and everything. It will show where is the high point of this. Here there is a high point, here there is a high point. You can see there is a dot which is placed. Similarly, you can mark a low point. You can mark negative points if there is a minus value. You can mark the first point. You can see the first point is marked. You can put the last point as well, or you can put the markers for each and every value it marks. Alright, it is time for the next sparkline, which is column sparkline. I'll go to Insert. I'll click on column sparkline. Same thing. The I2 is a selected cell. The data range, I'll select the same one and I'll click OK. You can see there is a bar graph or the column chart which is placed inside this particular cell. And these bars or columns differ based on the values which are there inside these cells in the row. Similar to the line chart or the line sparkline, you can drag this down as well. Nice. So we did the column chart as well. Similar to the line chart, this also has got all the settings here. You can select the style, you can select the high point, you can select the low point, and all the settings. You can change the sparkline color and everything. Alright, so with that we only have the last one particular sparkline remaining, which is win or loss. Win or loss sparkline is as same as this. We'll go to Insert, we'll click on win loss. J2 is my location. I'll select the same data. I'll click OK. And I'll drag this down. I don't see any difference here. I can only see few square columns which are placed here. To know it better, what we'll do is will change the value to minus in one particular cell. We'll do it in two, the last one as well, or we'll do it here, the first value of the last row. Now look at this. This is a red placed here down, this is red placed here down. Win or loss and column chart. What is the difference? Column chart, these columns differ based on the values which are there inside these cells. But for win or loss, the values don't matter. All that which matters to this particular win-loss sparkline is whether it's a plus value or it is a minus value. If it's a plus value, it will place on the top with one particular color. If it's a minus value, with a different color. This is especially used or very useful for the senior leadership when they sit in a conference or in a meeting to see how many months are my positives and how many months are my negative, based on which I can take the decision. Right? That is a win-loss sparkline. One setting which is remaining, this can be used for the column sparkline or for the line sparkline. You go to sparkline and select the axis here and say show axis. So whenever there are values which are less than 0, there is a line coming here. Hope all of us know what the axis is. So if the value drops below 0, it moves down and there is an axis which gets shown here as well. Now I get questions, can we increase the size of sparklines? No, we cannot. But the sparkline can be as big as your cell is. If you increase the size of your cell and the column, the sparkline can be bigger. If the cell is smaller, the sparkline also will be smaller. So that is about sparkline. Please do let me know where you used it and how you benefited out of it. And till then, please excel with Excel. Thank you.